Ako si Yabin. For today's video, pupunta pala tayo sa Cansiboy, Burabod Mountain Resort. Tara, samahan niyo akong maglakbay papuntang Cansiboy Mountain Resort.
I know many times I've been here before. It's a pattern. So long, 'cause I can't pretend anymore. What does it matter?
So guys, madadaanan po pala natin ang Mahagnaw Lake ng Burawing Leyte papuntang Cansiboy Resort.
I'm broken and bruised, and maybe it's a blessing. I got nothing to lose, but it's wearing
Ang
me
Burawing po pala is the spring capital of Leyte.
Now you're gone, what do I do? Now you're not around, what do I do? It's like my time's running out. I'm broken and bruised, and maybe it's a blessing. I got nothing to lose, but it's wearing me down. It's wearing me down. Now you're gone, what do I do?
Hi guys! Nandito na po pala tayo sa Cansiboy, Burabod Mountain Resort. Bago pala pumasok, kailangan mo na magbayad ng 30 pesos for entrance. So guys, ganito pala kalinaw at kaganda yung Cansiboy Mountain Resort. Kung nakikita nyo guys, marami silang cottages dito. Napili kayo mag-rent. It's natural and flowing water. Napakalamig pala dito guys. Parang lagyan ng yelo sa sobrang lamig. Wow, may butterfly. So guys, ito pala yung swimming pool nila. Yung pang bata at saka pang matanda. Yung pang matanda guys is nagpas tao dyan. Mag-enjoy talaga kayo mag-swimming.